Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have nothing here but two, and I'm going to tell you if you can charge them using your phone. So for example, here I do have the Pixel 8, Google Pixel 8 phone with the USB Type-C port. And the answer is yes, you can charge your earbuds using your phone. To do so, you have to prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable, like this one, and plug this cable straight into your phone, like that, and the second part of that into your earbuds charging port here. Now our earbuds are charging, as you can see. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.